Today I will show you how to make great prompts for Sora 2 videos and how to go viral on TikTok or on X on Twitter, and how I personally have done this. First of all, I will show you a full proof. Here is my TikTok account. So for example, if I scroll down here, you can see a video with 100,000 views. Here is with 88,000 views, 390,000 views, and I will show you full proof that I actually made these videos. Here is not another one with 259 views. So I'm the first one that actually made videos with Freddie Mercury that you see on TikTok, and I will show you many more. Here is one with 259,000. Here is another one with 186,000. So if we go to my Sora profile, here you can see these are the videos that I have made. I think these are the drafts. So yeah, these are basically the drafts. And let's scroll down. And these were one of the first videos that I actually made with Freddie Mercury. And here is the viral one. I created at least 10 of these videos, and this was the one that I liked. And here is the full prompt. Here you can basically see how long is the prompt. This prompt was used for a Michael Jackson video first, and I basically reused it, changed it up. Here you can see there is a basically different text for every second, from 0 to 3 seconds, from 3 to 7 seconds, and this is how you want to write your prompts if you want a great videos. AI didn't include everything directly as I told in this prompt, but still the video came out really great and it went viral. Here is one with the Stephen Hawking, basically the same video, just changed to Stephen Hawking, and it made 300,000 views. Here is Stephen Hawking at basically beehive taking raw honey, 100,000 views. So next video, this Stephen Hawking. Here is the full prompt, and I would say this is one of the rare videos when I don't explain to AI to sort to what is the camera type, if it's handheld, if it's shaky, or if it's basically single angle. But I would recommend for you to write how the camera looks, if it's a 2000s camcorder, if it's iPhone or old Android footage, what type of angle, all of that. But still this worked, and this made me hundreds of thousands of views. Next one, this on TikTok made around 200,000 views, so this is really easy. Freddie Mercury is cutting a lawn for an old grandma in UK. He's joking around and talking about how he is tired of music. Now, why this looks ultra realistic? Because this is how the UK colors, which is quite gray, and all the quality looks like UK-ish. That's why I think, in my opinion, basically the video came out really good. So here's the next one where he grabs the fries, which looks really funny. And here is basically the prompt. So here is the prompt where I describe the single angle handheld footage taken with an old iPhone. Why you want to write old is because all the best videos that go viral look quite low quality. I think 19% of the best videos are in low quality. That's why you want to write an old iPhone. As far as the prompt, you can write everything you want. As far as celebrities, basically the celebrities are cracking down on the IP rights. That's why Sora 2 is basically blocking many of these celebrities. But I think you can still use Tupac or Freddie Mercury or Stephen Hawking, which go viral insanely easy. And I would suggest you to write prompts, and you can actually not write text. You can let the Sora 2 write something funny. Just write in the prompt. He says something funny or sings something funny or tells a joke, a British joke, and it will actually come up with a good joke. So the next video is this. So this is basically, I think, the first video that I actually posted with Freddie Mercury. Here, really easy, Freddie Mercury on a stadium stage practicing singing with a crowd. Basically, you can see everything that it says. Why this works is because there are many videos of Freddie Mercury on a stage, basically improvising with a crowd, where he says something and crowd repeats. And the best part about this is that AI actually makes him sing, and he sings really great in his voice. because he has a really great voice, and this basically is insane video in my opinion. That's why this got, I think, like 259,000 views, like 35,000 likes. So this basically went viral as well. So the next one is this one. So you can make a insanely realistic looking nature catastrophes. So here it is. Let's see with the whole sound.
Oh my God, it's breaking! Get ready for the wave!
Brace,
Here it
brace.
comes!
Oh, we're going over!
So the only thing that I don't like about this is that the huge wave turns over all the boats and splashes the camera with water. It didn't do that, but overall it looks quite realistic. And this made me 186,000 views on TikTok. So again, viral video, why not? And here is another viral video where I created Tupac and Hawkins walking the streets and basically being angry.
We out here, you don't want no smoke.
Cannot fuck with us.
Whole block know what it is, man. We running this corner, we running the next. Anybody got a problem?
And 187,000 views. And let's go see the prompt. So here is basically the prompt. Tupac walking on a ghetto street with Stephen Hawking and 10 more rappers behind them. Tupac spits and screams angry. So I basically came up with basically the text, with the dialogue, and this is where it basically went funny. That's why I think there are so many views, because the Hawking says something rude. And again, old iPhone footage, ultra realistic and handheld shaky video. So we want as realistic and also grainy. We want it to be an old iPhone footage, so it doesn't look so perfect. We want it to be imperfect. That's why it looks so realistic, and it basically went viral. Next one is this.
The ship behind me is going down. I am on a small boat and safe for now, but there are...
So basically Stephen Hawking is on a small raft, and behind him is a sinking ship. Here you can see again, behind him is a ship that is sinking slowly. People on the ship are panicking, and we can hear water wave sounds. Stephen Hawking is asking for a help. So I wanted for this video to basically to make a wave sound, so you can hear the background sounds, which also makes these videos go really, really viral and make them ultra realistic. And here is again selfie style live TikTok video, handheld old iPhone footage, shaky footage. So that's basically every time, 19% of the time I will write all this. So I just copy paste it, and it will be ultra realistic as this one.
Hello.
And go viral. And in the end, I want to show you one of the new trends for the Sora 2 is this channel. So here you can see, for example, this video, 14.5 million views. And this looks ultra realistic. And here's the video that I recreated. So this looks quite similar and could get millions of views.
Come here, baby! Inside now! Inside!
Home security camera outside looking at the entrance. Also, there are these door ring bell cameras that will make, again, quite nice footage. And here is the whole basically prompt, so you can write in the prompt everything you want. What makes this video so great is because security cameras are really low quality. If you remove the Sora watermark, people on the internet will think that this is real. That's why it gets like 100 millions of views. I will basically list some of the prompts in the description, so you can copy paste them, experiment with them yourself. So yeah, I am starting to make some videos with my own Cameo. So yeah, that's basically it. No gatekeeping. I am giving all the information for free. So if you don't want to miss any upcoming AI news, AI Alpha, Sora 2 news, Sora 2 prompts, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, get a notification instantly, and you don't miss out on videos like these ones where I give everything for free. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.